It's another brand new day. I messed up the bolt. I put it in wrong. It was cross-threaded, it seized up, and I snapped the head off. I got a drill. I got this extractor set. I'm gonna use the smallest bit, it's in there. And then I don't have a punch, so I had to get this big ass set just for this punch right here. And I got this bolt extractor. Got a bad feeling about this, y'all. Better come charge. Okay. Another fun thing is really deep in this crevice where I have trouble even trying to get this head on because this pipe is all up in the way, and that's right there. So I just realized I might not even be able to use the drill right there, and this is gonna be a problem. How did this happen? What did I do? Oh no, it don't fit. Got this wall right here. Can't align it right. It's all up in the way. I really screwed myself. I got the valve cover back off. Figured that'll help get some more room up. And it did, a little bit. Definitely not perfect. Main thing is this in the way, but then you got this wall here behind it that's stopping the drill from heading straight on. Crisis averted. All those tools I told you to use just now, don't use them. Just get a left-handed drill bit, and as you get it into the broken bolt, it will start to bring it back up. But yeah, as you saw yesterday, I just used like the drill bit, and I just like pushed it against the wall of the hole that I made in the bolt, and it started to spin it with the drill bit, and it came out. So just don't waste your money. I mean, if it's stuck, maybe, you know, go get what I just showed you guys. But if it's just like a broken bolt that you just put in and it's sealed off, then just get the left-handed drill bit. See that? It works so good. That's crazy. Dang, that feels cool. I'm gonna just start bringing bolts just to do it. So it was on there, right? And it says the torque down to 17 and then to 80. How do these hold 80 pounds of torque in the first place? Like, they don't. They don't, right? There's no way. Now that I'm thinking about it, how the hell does this hold 80 pounds of pressure?